Hi friends, welcome to Easy English Channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss past perfect continuous tense. Yesterday we discussed present perfect continuous tense. Today we are going to discuss past perfect continuous tense. This tense is also bit same with present perfect continuous tense, but it has some differences in the structure. So let's start with today's session, friends. In this session, friends, I would be covering following topics with you: usages, rules of past perfect continuous tense. Then once again I will describe something about for and since. Then we'll talk about negative structures, yes no questions, WH questions, and at last you will get an exercise. You have to solve exercise to get the idea of past perfect continuous tense. Yes, now we talk about usage of past perfect continuous tense. This tense is used for an activity basically which started in the past, in progress in the past, but not finished at the time of speaking in the past. And sometimes it is also used with past tense as well. Now as you can see on the screen, there is an example. He had been waiting for an hour when you came home. That means I had been waiting for a long time when you came home. So past perfect continuous tense is used for an activity which was in progress in the past but not finished at the time of speaking. We can take more examples like I had been writing an exam for 1 hour. I had been working for 5 days. There are many examples we can create when we talk about past perfect continuous tense. Now let's look at the rules. When we talk about rules, you have to use had plus been plus verb with ing. So here you can see on the screen there is one example. I had been working since 8 o'clock, and there is one more example. He had been working for 2 hours. I will describe you about since and for in coming slide. For and since. Basically, for and since are time elements which are used when we talk about any of the perfect continuous tenses. Here we are discussing past perfect continuous tense, so let's use it in the past perfect continuous tense. For shows period of time, like for 3 hours. We can say I had been running for 3 hours. 10 days. They had been working rigorously for 10 days. Since talks about when an action started. That means it talks about starting point of time. Since 2 o'clock. My class had been going on since 2 o'clock. He had not met me since he came to the United States. So these are few examples with for and since. Now look at the screen, friends. There are some negative structures of past perfect continuous tense. So you have to use subject plus had not plus verb with ing and rest of the sentence. In the screen you can see an example where like I had been sleeping when you arrived. They had been sleeping when you arrived. So this is how you can frame negative structures. You have to use subject, then helping verb with not, and then verb with ing, and then you can concatenate or connect rest of the sentence. Rest of the sentence is an optional part. If you want, you can add it. If you don't want, there's no issue with that. You can also say like that, I had been sleeping for 2 hours. Now let's look at the questions, friends. There are two types of questions: yes no questions and WH questions. First we will talk about yes no questions, and then we'll move on to WH questions. Now let's look at the yes no question. In yes no questions you have to move your helping verb at the front of the sentence, and then subject, and then verb with ing, then rest of the sentence. As you can see on the screen, had I been working when she called, or hadn't I been assisting you. This is a negative interrogative. So I hope you have understood the concept of yes no question. Once more I would like to revise, like you have to use helping verb, then subject, then verb with ing, then rest of the sentence. And please don't forget to put question mark at the end of the question, yes no questions. Now you can see on the screen there are a few examples of yes no questions. Had he been drinking when you found him? Had the manager been complaining about Jim before she fired him? Hadn't the snow been falling for hours before then? It's a negative interrogative. So I hope you have understood how to frame yes no questions. As you can see on the screen, there is a question mark at the end of the sentence. Now WH structures. WH questions are generally asked to get the information of something or someone. There is a slight difference between yes no questions and WH questions. Yes no questions are used to get the answer in yes or no, whereas WH questions talks about the information, like what had you been doing until then? I had been waiting for you. Who had been dating before me? I don't know who had been dating before me. So this is how you have to frame WH structure. Now few examples of WH structures. What had you been doing when you cut your finger? Which fax had you been trying to send when the power went off? How long had you been waiting? So these all are WH structures, and WH structures basically used to talk or to get the information for something or someone. Now as you can see on the screen, there is an exercise. You have to put the verb into the correct form of past perfect continuous tense and reframe these structures. I want you to do it on your own. I just solve it once. First one for you. He worked in this company since 1985. You can write down like this: he had been working in this company since 1985, or you can make a negative structure also: he had not been working in this company since 1985. Rest of the examples you have to solve, friends. I hope, friends, you have seen the exercise and you will solve it to check the information of past perfect continuous tense. I hope you have understood the concept of past perfect continuous tense. Friends, do not forget the basic rule of past perfect continuous tense. You have to use had plus been plus verb with ing. This is very easy. There's no change. It can be done, or it can be written easily. So friends, please solve this exercise and practice past perfect continuous tense. Thanks for watching, friends. Please do subscribe our channel to get latest videos on your screen, and we would be sharing more information on English language. And there's one more tense is also left that I will describe tomorrow or in the coming session. Thank you very much, friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye.